Assalamualaikum guys, Kel-Tec booth at SHOT Show 2026 और इनकी इन्वेंट्री चेक करते हैं. They have some of very cool stuff, especially इनके shotguns बड़े मशहूर हैं और काफ़ी high capacity में आते हैं. तो इनके किसी से बात करते हैं and hopefully they'll give us a tour. So let's go and explore Kel-Tec USA. हम मौजूद हैं क्रिस के साथ और वो हमें एक टूर कराते हैं. So here we go, Chris.
So what's up, guys? My name is Chris Hammerstrom. I'm with Kel-Tec. We're at Shop 2026 in Vegas. We're going to talk to you about some of our products that we have here in the booth. These are our two PR series pistols. We have the PR17, and just released this week is our PR380. So it's our newest pistol in the PR line. It stands for pistol rotating. So you'll see when it cycles, you'll actually watch the barrel rotate 15 to 20 degrees. And that gives it smoother and better extraction and better cycling. This is also a stripper clip fed firearm. So no actual magazine to remove. It takes a clip that loads in the top and then just pushes down like that to load and good to go. You get 13+1 in this. We also have a smaller grip one that will be a 10+1 and also optics ready slides. So you get the Viridian RFX1, RFSC plates, or iron sights.
All right.
We also make it, as I said before, in the 5.7. So
Okay.
kind of the same thing, but a little bit more full size. You get 21 rounds of 5.7 in there.
Okay.
One of my favorite things we make is our Sub2000 carbine.
Yeah.
So this is in 9mm. This is the multi-mag version. So it actually has changeable mag catches. So you can change these screws out. It'll work with the Smith & Wesson M&P, the Beretta series, CZ75.
And the Glock.
Well, so the Glock is Glock only. The metal, the multi-mag works with all the different changeable magazines as far as all the different metal mags goes.
Okay.
But still works just like it. Pull down on the trigger guard. Releases the barrel, pulls up, will rotate to the right or left if pulled with optics. Locks right back in place. Charges right in the rear.
Nice. Love that.
And also we have our KS7 shotgun right here. So this is our newest shotgun in our KSG lineup. It is a single tube. We also make the dual tube version. So you get 7+1, so our total of 8 2 3/4 inch shells in here. Or you can get the 6+1 and the 3-inch shells. It's got the 1913 rail on top. You can remove this clamshell piece here on the bottom and you can actually put a vertical grip on there. Loads and ejects straight down from the rear. So this is actual your loading port and your ejection port. So
okay.
it will work for right or left-handed shooters either way, because whenever you cycle it, it ejects the round straight downwards. So
Okay. And how many cartridges can it take?
7+1 and 2 3/4 and 6+1 and 3-inch.
Okay. Nice. That's all?
We could go around the booth more if you want.
That would be great.
All right.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
from here, we have some of our 5.56 rifles. So right here, we have our RDB and also our PLR. They both take AR-15 magazines. This is in your bullpup design, so you have actually a full 16-inch length barrel in here, but in the size of a short-barreled rifle.
Okay.
Like the shotgun, it's also an ambi rifle. Charging handle can be on either side, and also ejects straight down from the rear. So you're gonna shoot it right-handed or left-handed, and no problem.
I have one of these at my store.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So here we have the PLR, which looks kind of like an AR, but operates just like an AK-47 actually. So it has the same gas system like an AK. The bolts are very similar, but this runs on 5.56 and AR-15 magazines.
Okay.
It has the side folding brace as well.
Awesome.
So
One.
check out the gun. We have some of our other lineup of shotguns right here. So where you saw the KS7 up front, this is the dual magazine tube version of it. It has holds 15 rounds. And we also make the KS225 that holds an entire box of shells. So you get 25 rounds in that one.
25 rounds? Oh, wow.
And then we have the tactical version up top. So this one's more of a made for law enforcement, but you can still buy it if you want as a civilian. Just got to do the paperwork. So
Okay, that's KSG 25.
Yep.
It takes 25 rounds.
Yep.
That's awesome. Well,
you can have also some of our other pistols. Our 22 PMR 30 right here, which is a 22 Magnum. You get 30 rounds of 22 mag in this pistol. One of our most popular pistols. Everyone knows this and loves it. It always makes a big scene when it's out on the range.
Okay.
Then we have some of our 9mm in our carry. This is our P15. We make a polymer and a metal version. But probably my favorite pistol we make right here is our P17s. So it's a nice good training guns. So it's the same size as most 9mm on the market, but it's a 22 long rifle.
Okay.
Super cheap to buy. They come in only at $199 MSRP. And a lot of fun. They'll cycle just beside it. They have a threaded barrel as well, so if you run any kind of suppressor like that, you can.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you very much, man. All right, checking us out.